Believe that.
Hey, hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to steam your face at home. So let's just get straight into the video. So to prepare, I'm going to add a few orange peels and lemon peels. Then after this, I'm going to add 500 ml of water and then boil it. It's just a simple process.
Yeah, life ni gone. Life ni hard sana boo.
So I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, it has started boiling and the color has changed. So after simmering exactly 2 to 3 minutes and then switch off. So I'm going to allow it to cool down and then transfer it into a container where I'm going to be steaming my face from.
Inafaa kuwa strong sana.
So before steaming, I prefer to exfoliate gently my skin.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to exfoliate your skin after steaming because if you have acne, it's going to slightly be swollen and your pores will be open and it's causing your skin to be more inflamed. So I do this process before steaming and it helps a lot, you know, to remove that dead cells from the skin.
Ulimwengu umejaa matatizo, ndugu yangu usife moyo.
So when it comes to steaming, I always avoid coming too close to the hot water so that I cannot burn myself. And then in between, I rest a bit and then steam again for another 10 minutes. So it's very important at least to steam for 10 minutes. So after steaming, I splash my face with warm water and pat it dry with a towel. Steaming alone does not unclog pores, so to benefit maximally, I go in with a mild cleanser so that I can unclog those pores. So when you steam your face, don't stop there. Just do other normal skincare routines so that you can benefit from it maximally. So here I go in with a mask after cleansing and it helps my skin a lot. I'll apply my sheet mask. This is the best time to do it because the technique of steaming increases the temperature of the skin, which can cause blood circulation. So when the blood circulation is increased, products can more easily pass through the skin barrier. And I make sure I does not waste the excess, you know, product from the sheet mask. So I apply it all over my face and body before I put the sheet mask on my face. I'm going to wait for 15 minutes before I remove the sheet mask. To avoid damaging your skin, always remove the sheet mask while it's still moist. I'll go ahead and tap in the excess extra serum on my skin. Massage for 30 minutes and then apply a moisturizer. So guys, I'm done. And after you remove the sheet mask, sometimes your face may look like it's, you know, so oily, but it's not oily. Just give your face time so that good stuff can sink in from sheet mask. So you're not supposed to wash it off after you remove the sheet mask. What you do, you just tap in. Once you're done, go in with your normal moisturizer, but it's advisable to do this during the night, yeah, when you're not going outside. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye for now. Much love to you all. Bye.